What?
How are you, babe?
I'm doing okay. Baby, I'm doing okay.
Nimekujaribu for so long mpaka ukani-block. Why?
No, I cannot block you. I don't have that energy to block you.
I was actually telling my personal assistant today.
Personal assistant?
Yeah, I was telling her today. Nikamwambia, I wish Kanyare would tell me of something he has always dreamt about, like opening a church somewhere. Nimwambia, let's do this.
Akiwe ni mrembo, surely.
Hii live imengojewa for so long.
What?
Like alikuwa ananiambia, oh, my boss anaongea na mtu fulani. Namwambia, okay, I'm trying to call him but he's a bit busy. Do you mind? I'm in Ethiopia. I'm coming today.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I talk to him? Akanambia, whenever I'm free, I'll connect you to him.
Now, by the way, I was there.
I remember I would hear you talking.
But I fear some things. I fear it. You know it.
Ulisema niko na matiti kubwa. Yini kitu kukasa nayo?
Kai, you have a big boobs.
No, yini kitu kusumbuana nayo. Like these are just things that you're gonna enjoy touching.
Ni ukweli. Lakini sasa hiyo ni kubwa.
Si ndio, at least inaweza toshia kwa mikono yako.
Unalala hapo katikati.
I'm all alone in a 5-bedroom. I'm not married. Only me and my small pet.